here for the first time, thank you so much guys for clicking on the video. My name is Ashmita and hope you all are doing well. And yes, ARMY's today's reaction is the reaction to the official MV of War of Hormone. I know the vibe of the song, I have listened to the song so many times, but of course I do not know the meaning because I have not reacted to the official MV. I reacted to the dance practice videos. And yes, I am super duper excited because this was also one of the most requested MV reactions of BTS. So after this ARMY's, I'm going to move on to the Wings storyline, and I'm going to react to all those short films of Wings, and then one of the videos of the Blood, Sweat and Tears explanation, so that I am completely updated on how the story is moving forward with my own theories of, you know, decoding and deciphering whatever I will do while watching all the MVs. So yes, let's do this reaction right now of War of Hormones by Bangtan Sonyeonda. Okay. And the subtitles are on. Look at him! So they are after, so it's gonna be, is it going to be like Boy in Love, where they were after one girl trying to impress her, and that was in school and this is outside school. Okay. That line. The girls that make me cough, their clothes are all see-through. Yeah, this is also from School Love Affair, this song. I'm guessing it's from that only. But wow. This is going to be such an interesting watch. This is going to be such an interesting watch. All boys lusting after this girl. Oh! Literally, basically flirting. This is a song totally about flirting, crushing, lusting. Lusting was Blood, Sweat and Tears. This is more like, you know, having a crush and going head over heels for this particular girl. So here I think they are again, like I said, competing. Was he really 18 when this song released? Huh? ARMY's? I don't think so. He's 23 right now. He turned 23, right? Okay, I'll do the calculation later. I'm sorry. Jungkook saying I'm a bad boy and I like bad girl is, I don't know, a little hilarious to me. He's so cute! Though now he looks like a bad boy. Technically, if this line will suit him now. Now if you see him, he looks like a bad boy.
Tell me what you want right now. Hello. I'ma give it to your girl right now. 내가 아니라면 넌 최고. 네 앞에서 baby go in 내 맘. 내게 다가서고 싶지만 너무 심하게 아름다워.
Oh, she went inside.
선물이야. 진짜 내 손.
Oh! Damn, looks such a baby! Oh, the butt slapping is part of the choreography. Okay. Can I see that again? I want to see that again.
first 여전 차가운 빙상 let it go
How dare she reject Hobie? Who on their right mind is going to reject the sunshine? Tell me, armies. Huh? Okay. Women are cold iceberg.
자극하는 매일 오늘도 호르몬과 싸움 후대 여드름을 대 Hello Tell me what you want right now Hello I'ma give it
Kim Seokjin is he's so cool. I love Kim Seokjin. I love all of them. Everybody has such unique personality. I'ma give it to you, girl, right now. Such adorable dude singing such a bad boy song. I find it such a contrast. You know, if they sing such songs now, because they're all grown up here, they look like babies. So it's a little weird for me to watch. But yeah, war of hormones happen when you are like teenagers. So that it makes sense. But if they sing such lyrics now, imagine how many people are just gonna faint and die.
it to you girl right now 내 건 아니라지만
Oh, I like the bike.
네 앞에서 baby go in and in my 네게 다가서고 싶지만 너무 심하게 아름다워 여자는 최고의 선물이야
He is the baby.
너뿐이야 난 너라면 난목해 자제가 안 되네 앞에도 최고 뒤태도 최고 머리부터 발끝까지 최고 누구 때문에 누구 때문에 호르몬 때문에 누구 때문에 남자기 때문에 여자 때문에 누구 때문에 여자 때문에 누구 때문에
I love the color palette of the song. Jimin is just. Yeah. Such a flirt, Jimin is, na? With his face.
선물이야 진짜 내 소원은 너뿐이야 난 너라면 난목해 자제가 안 되네 앞에도 최고 뒤태도 최고 머리부터 발끝까지 최고 앞에도 최고 뒤태도 최고 머리부터 발끝까지 최고 앞에도 최고
Taeyang is trying so hard to look like a bad boy, but he's such a cutie pie in this song. You know where he looked like a complete bad boy to me? On Kinetic Manifesto. That is the song where he was just with the tattoo, the face and the neck tattoo. He looked. Yeah.
뒤태도 최고 걸음걸이 하나까지 최고
Oh, she came back. Oh! Taeyang stands. I am sorry. So everybody's hitting Taeyang because the girl chose him. BTS. Okay, wait. Shut this. My god, I love it. I already love the song because I've listened to it now a lot of times. But yeah, it was so I didn't have to concentrate on the song. I could just concentrate on the visuals and the lyrics. The lyrics are just superb. Just what a teenager would think. Now about this MV particularly, I really liked. It was really interesting the color palette that they used. Sepia with red. Red was very prominent. So I think because red is considered the color of passion, right? So I think they prominently showed the red, and everything was sort of sepia, grayish, black and white kind of color palette. And again, because I think, like I said in the reaction of Boy in Love, that they have used the video did not look very colorful because it was a bad boy song, and here also they did the same thing. They made the red very prominent, but otherwise the color palette of the entire MV was dark and plain because it is a bad boy song. You know, they're riding the big bikes, and literally this is a song about, you know, their testosterone levels. So baby is looking like, literally Taeyang and Jungkook are looking such babies, such cute babies. But I understand because, and let me know if Jungkook was 18 when, because there is a line that he's 18, so let me know, okay? And yes, the girl chose Taeyang, so Taeyang stands. I'm sorry, he's taken in this MV. Alright, so yes, that was my reaction to War of Hormone by BTS. I hope you enjoyed with me and danced with me. Ting 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 ting. And please let me know if before the Wings, before I react to the Wings short film, is there any other MV that, you know, I should be reacting to before I react to the Wings short film, so that I do not miss out on the storyline. Let me know, guys, okay? So yes, that was it from me today. If you're a K-pop lover, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.